Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about 5G and how Metro by T-Mobile is going to be the first prepaid carrier to offer 5G, and thanks to T-Mobile's network. So this is very exciting news. This does launch tomorrow. So at least from the making of this video, today's December 5th. It's supposed to launch December 6th. So I'm very excited about that. And I'll talk about kind of my experience and what I think about it and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and read this. So it says Metro by T-Mobile. This is through Metro by T-Mobile's official website, guys. So let's check it out. It says T-Mobile's nationwide 5G is coming to Metro December 6th. The first and only prepaid carrier with nationwide 5G. With the power of T-Mobile's network, Metro by T-Mobile, well, I was going to say Metro by T-Mobile, but Metro will be able to bring 5G nationwide. No 5G signal goes farther or covers more people in more places. Bigger, better, farther. So it says bigger, the 5G network that covers more people in more places than anyone else. Better, no other 5G signal is more reliable indoors and out. We'll have to see about that since 5G is all new so far. And then further, 5G that covers thousands of miles versus other 5G which only covers city blocks. Wow. That is true. If you see, like, compared to like Verizon or something like that, they're targeting big cities. I mean, and then once you can kind of go away from line of sight, you kind of lose that 5G service. So all right guys, so this is going to be a quick note. I just found this out while I was doing this video. Is this 5G on T-Mobile's network's not going to be blazing fast like Verizon's or someone else's. So it's not going to be gigabit down, but it's going to be 20 to 30% faster than 4G LTE that you would have in the same area. So that is something to remember. It's not going to be gigabit down or anything like that just yet. So little quick note there. So I wonder how that's going to be. Scroll down, as you can see, this is their coverage map, which, remember this, you don't always want to rely on these coverage maps because they're not the best or the most reliable. But it's showing there's 4G LTE, and then what's glowing right there, that's going to be all 5G network. So pretty cool. Now remember guys, another thing with this is if you just have a little like A50 or A20 or something like that, it's not gonna work with 5G. You have to have a compatible 5G phones. I think the only two 5G compatible phones that T-Mobile even has is the Note 10 Plus 5G and also the OnePlus 7 McLaren edition, I believe. Or I know it's OnePlus 7, I believe. But Metro by T-Mobile's got to carry the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. So it says the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is coming to Metro December 6th. So now this phone does retail for about $1,300, but after all the offers, you will get it at $1,000, especially when you switch. And it says ID valid required. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G phone combines advanced technology with 5G. It features a super fast charging, intelligent battery, and advanced S Pen and Pro grade camera. So remember guys, it's not going to be cheap to access the 5G network. So don't think your iPhone or something like that, or iPhone 11 is even going to be able to access the 5G network. It's not. You have to get a 5G compatible phone, which, like I said, it's not cheap getting into. It's new technology. I'm pretty sure as the years go by, these phones are going to get cheaper and you'll be able to access it. But since it's so new, it's going to cost you some money. So if you can't afford it, then it kind of sucks. It will come to the mass markets, I'm pretty sure. Same thing with 4G when it came out. Phones were a lot more expensive. So it says Metro gives you the full power of T-Mobile network, no speed caps, no data limit. So you'll get 30. So they'll invest 30 billion invested in network improvements, which is pretty cool. I want to see that, especially in my area. T-Mobile really sucks. I mean, here in my house, you can't even get T-Mobile coverage. 25,000 or 25K new towers and cell sites, pretty cool. 3K new engineers hired since 2016 and 1 million square miles of LTE coverage added. Wow. I'm gonna say T-Mobile's definitely doing a lot. I mean, they came from the bottom of the bottom, and now with the merger, they're gonna be second if it goes through and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. I applaud T-Mobile for that. It says the best deal in wireless with coverage you can count on. I don't know about that. The same 4G LTE coverage as T-Mobile. That's 99% of Americans can with 4G LTE, unlimited high-speed data. I'm going to say T-Mobile's data is very fast. I mean, even compared to like Verizon or something like that, they're pretty fast, especially if you're in a big city and you get good coverage. says no annual contracts, taxes, and fees always included. Well, of course, more 4G LTE coverage than ever. You can check your coverage out here with a map. There is also a a 5G coverage map. You can find that online as well. I'll link that in the description below. Now, you might say, well, how do I know if my city is one of the cities? You can go through the T-Mobile 5G cities. You have to download this file because it's 22 pages. They'll show you if your city's on here, like my city's on here, which is crazy. I didn't think it was going to, but basically all of North Carolina is going to be covered, or at least a good portion of it, which even in rural America, I'm surprised. So I kind of want to try that out, but it's pretty expensive to get into these phones. So it says, what is verified coverage? They'll have this little square that means that people are there, they can verify it. Like here in my place, it says I get coverage, but outside of my home, inside, you're probably not going to get it. But remember, Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile have Wi-Fi calling. So if you can get coverage outside, that will work. But, inside, it probably won't work. What is the extended range LTE? You can find all that out. How does our LTE compare to blah, blah, blah. You can check all that. So if you have questions, you can get in here. Now, you can explore some plans here. I thought they had 5G plans, but I don't think they have them available just yet. But here's the regular plans. What is this? I thought they had the 5G plans, but I guess not yet. But like I said, you can check out your coverage. Some of the plans, I believe there will be no added fees. Same thing. As you can see, let's read some. This is by prepaidphonenews.com. So like I said, it is launching on December 6th. It says, earlier this week, T-Mobile revealed that they have officially launched their nationwide 5G coverage. The best part about this announcement is that the network can also be accessed by Metro by T-Mobile customers soon. So now T-Mobile customers probably will be able to get December 6th full access to it, and so will Metro by T-Mobile, which is going to be pretty cool. Like I said, we'll see more about the plans in just a little bit. Let me see if I can find it. So couldn't find anything really on the plans. I tried looking, but all the articles are just saying that it's launching tomorrow. So maybe if I find more about this tomorrow, I'll make a follow-up video on this. So there's more to come, so that makes it pretty good for us as well here in this studio. But let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Are you excited about this? I really hope that Boost and Cricket and even Verizon prepaid boost up their 5G coverage as well. But I'm very excited that T-Mobile's doing this. Like I said, they started in the bottom, and now they are coming up, how they say. So let me know in the comments below, guys. If you want to check out our new supporter, you can check out Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will provide you with the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Best Buy, Boost Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, Cricket, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. I will have that in the description below if you want to check that out. So thank you. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Metro by T-Mobile getting that 5G prepaid service. So 5G,